Question 1. The factor 3 for 120 in section 1.1 started with 12 and 10. It means it's a previous thing. Like 120, if we make factor 3, this one is 12 and 10. 12 can write 6 and 2, and this 6 can write 2 and 3. Similar, this 10 we can write 2 and 5. Okay, so the factor tree for 120 in section 1.1, this is a 1.1 section, started with 12 times 10. Draw a factor tree for 120 starts with 6 times 20, like this one. So first we have to finish this one. How? This is 120, here is 6, and here is 20. 6 can write 2 times 3, and this 10, 20 we can write 2 times 10, and this 10 can be write 2 and 5. Okay, first we have finished. This one is number A. Number B. Compare your answer to part A with partners. Are your trees are same or different? Before finish this one, number C. Draw some different factors trees 120. Can you say how many different trees are possible? We can make another one, which is number C. Look, this is 120. Suppose 3 times 40, also 40 we can write 2 and 20. This 20 we can write 2 and 10, and finally this 10 we can write 2 and 5. Now if we make summarize, first we have to compare your answer to part A with partners. Are your trees the same or different? The question B answer same, cause the end becomes 2, 3, 2, 2, 5. Look, here is 2, 2, 2, 3 twos, 1, 2, 3, right? And next 3 and 5. Here is also 3 and 5. Now we again made number C another style. Draw some different factor trees 120. Can you say how many different trees are possible? Now our final answer, also number D. Do all factor trees for 120 have the same endpoints? Number D, yes. A, B, C and D we can make different trees. But they all end with 2, 2, 2, 3, 5. Okay, it means 120 prime factorization will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, so number A, B, C. It means question 1 done. Question 2, number A. Complete this factor tree for 108. So 108 can be write 2 times 54, right? So this 54 we can write 2 times 27. This 27 we can write 3 times 9. This 9 we can write 3 times 3, right? Okay, so number A done. Number B, draw a different factor trees for 108. So we can write this is 108. It can be write, suppose 3 times, we can divide 108 by 3, right? It will become 36, right? Then this 36 we can write 2 times 18. 2 times 18. This 18 we can write 2 times 9. This 9 we can write 3 times 3. Okay, so draw a different factor trees for 108. So this one is number B. Number C, write 108 as a product of its prime factor. Number C, prime factors of 108. It will be, look, if we consider this one 1 2 2 times 2, then 1 2 3, 1 2 3 threes, so it will become 108. And if you check differently like this one, 1 2, here is 2 twos, and 1 2 3, this one also same. Okay, now number D, compare your factor trees and your product of prime factors with a partner. Have you drawn the same trees or different ones? Are your trees correct? Look, here it's the important things. We can make, first off, we can make different trees, but at endpoints like 2 2 3 3 3 will same. Okay, so question 2 done. Number 3, draw a factor tree for 200 that starts with 10 times 20. Okay, no problem. This is our 200 and it will start 10 times 20. So this 10 we can write 2 times 5, and this 20 we can write 2 times 10. This 10 can be write 2 times 5. Okay, so this is number A. Number B, write 200 as a product of prime factor. So for prime factorization we can take all endpoints, right? So it will be 2 times 5 times 2 times 2 times 5. Or if anybody wants, they also can write like this way. Suppose 200 we can divide by lowest prime factor, which is 2, so it will be 100, then can be 2, it will be 50, 2, 25, and 5 and 5. Look, here is a 2 5 1 and 2 and 3 twos 1 2 3 1 2 3, so it's becomes similar. Now write 200 as a product of prime number. Number B also done. Number C, compare your factor tree with partners. Have you drawn the same tree or different ones? Are your trees correct? So we can write a different trees, like this is a 200. We can start from like 4 times 50, right? We can do it. So 4 we can write 2 times 2, and 50 can be write 2 times 25, and this 25 can be write 5 times 5. Now look, here is a 2 twos, 3 twos, 1 2 3, and 5 twos, 1 and 2. So similar thing here is also 1 2 3 and 1 2. So compare factor trees. Yes, my trees is correct. Yes, this one is correct, right? And then have you drawn the same tree or different? Drawn different trees, but end point same. Okay, how many different factor trees can you draw or for 200 that start with 10 and 20? So many trees are possible. It's number D. Many trees are possible, but ends point will be same. So this video I'm trying to solve 3 math based on factor trees, which is very important. Next video we will start different things, but till then take care, keep practice, and don't waste your time. Thank you.